How to get paid using Facebook stars when you go live on video. Up until recently, gamers were the only people who could basically get paid for doing their Facebook or live streaming. However, they just rolled it out on recently that certain select accounts can earn money on live videos with stars. I just got this early this morning, and it was a few clicks of the button. What stars do is basically allows your fans, followers, audience to, instead of just like or love, they can actually buy stars and show their support. It makes it fun, and many live streamers, authors, coaches, speakers, entrepreneurs, influencers, celebrities, musicians, you name it. Now it's not only gamers, but they can actually get paid for doing live videos. And so this could be big time for a lot of people. I was a little bit apprehensive to just get started to see if it was like a hack or spam, but it's not. You go to an article here and they basically said Facebook says live streams have increased 50% this month because of the coronavirus, and they're going to extend stars monetization to musicians and more. And so I'm going to show you very quickly how to do this. Basically, you go to your Facebook page. You need to be on a Facebook page, and you come up here, you click settings. After you click settings, you'll see on the left-hand side, branded content. You want to click branded content. And if you're able to qualify, you'll see something called stars. Once you click stars, it will essentially allow you to get set up. Now, even though you only get paid 1 cent per star, these can add up and people can buy hundreds or thousands. And if you're wondering if Facebook Live actually works, here's one just recently. In the last 7 days, we've had over 70,000 minutes viewed, and that was down 15%. So again, this video is to help you get started. When this rolls out, it's going to be like the early adopters. Whoever gets in first is going to be able to kind of leverage some of that early excitement. My name is Kary Oberbrunner. I help authors, coaches, and speakers. And if you want to learn more about Author Academy Elite, go to authoracademyelite.com. We help people turn their books into 18 streams of income. I'm committed to share with you the latest and greatest tips, tools, and tactics. So make sure you subscribe to get the next video, and I'll be sure to let you know what's rolling out in the online space. Be a soul on fire. We'll see you later.